Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are learning something fundamental in Python, that is a string iteration. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to iterate over strings in Python. So without further ado, let's get started. So what exactly is a string iteration? In Python, a string is simply a sequence of characters, and a string iteration refers to the process of going through each character one by one. If we need to manipulate each letter or analyze the characters in a string, for that we use a string iteration. Now let's go and practice this in our Jupyter notebook. I am discussing a string iteration in Python by using two methods, that is loop without index value and loop with index value. Now let's practice method 1 and we'll say hash method 1 loop without index, and let's say I will create a variable called string1 and assign hello world to it. Now I'm going to use a for loop here, so for that I'm writing for char in string1 colon. So here I am using simple for loop to access each character in the string1. The variable char will hold each character, then we print it out one by one. For that I'm going to write print char. Now let's run it and see how it prints each character on a new line. Yes, the output shows the code goes through each character one by one. Now let's move to the another method, that is iterating through a string by using index. Let's look an example with a while loop here. Method 2 is like loop with index, and in this case we'll assign string 2 equals to, let's say, welcome to Python tutorial, and then we will start here the index variable from 0. So index equals to 0, let's say, and then now I'm going to use here the while loop. So while index is less than we'll say length of string 2, right, and then colon, and we will print string 2 and then index and then we'll increment index by, here I don't need this one, I think, okay, and then we'll increase the index by 1. So basically in this case we are keeping the track of an index variable, then we print each character by accessing it by using the index, and after each iteration we increase the index. And now let's run it, and okay, see, welcome to Python tutorial. Here also we print each character one by one, but by using the index value. Therefore, these methods are some of the most common ways to iterate over a string in Python. We can also use a string iteration using list, enumerate, and so on. Because I have not covered Python list tutorial in my channel yet, I am going to leave this now. I'll explain string iteration using list in my upcoming videos. I hope this video helped you understand string iteration better. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Python tips and tutorial. Thank you.